Hey guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to clean your white shoes. So you're gonna need soap, any type of soap, and if you want to make them like extra white, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. So yeah, and let's get started. So first you want to put some soap in a bowl and add a little bit of water. Make sure you get like a toothbrush or something. Oh, and you want to take out the laces first. Alright, so what we want to do next is you want to rinse the shoe a little bit. Not that much, just a little bit. And then get the soap and start scrubbing. Rinse them out. And as you can see, they're already like pretty white right now. Oh, and don't forget to do the laces. As you can see, my laces are like really dirty. Just throw them in there. And rinse them out. Now you want to dry them. Alright, so now you want to dry them. You can use a towel or whatever you want. Alright, so what you want to do next, you want to get some baking soda and put a little bit on a bowl. And you also want to get some hydrogen peroxide. And put a little bit and mix it. And then you're gonna get like this paste. So you want to do the same thing that you did with the soap. And you don't have to go like as hard with this. Just create like 2 layers of it, because this is gonna get dry. Alright, so now don't rinse it or anything, just let them sit like that for like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Alright guys, so now as you can see, it has like a little layer of like this hard baking soda. So you want to like rinse that out. If yours doesn't have that layer, then you did something wrong. And they might have like little white spots, but that will come off with the water, and that means it's working. Alright, so there you go. And as you can see, I have my old here. The difference, it's actually a lot better. Alright, so as you can see, that looks way better. I put the flash on. But yeah, look at the dirty ones and then the clean ones. I thought this wasn't gonna come off because it's like a hard shell, but it actually came out pretty good. Let me show you on the light. So yeah, there you go.